Hey traders, John Howell here. We're going to be looking I can't talk today. Market update on the mining stocks. Not looking too good, guys. Not looking too good. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So what I'm about to talk to you right now is the short term. Just so I'm very clear with you right now. This is short-term technical analysis, okay? If you don't believe in technical analysis, why the hell are you watching this video for? This is the time for you to nick off, right? Get your ass out of here and go watch a fundamental video. By the way, if you are watching fundamental videos and you do look at fundamentals for your decision, fundamentals are big picture, so therefore you're an investor. Therefore, you waiter, a long timer, not just a one dayer, and get the freak outer. Right? Make sense, guys? Because some of you guys are like, oh, John, you know, I trade based on, I'm in the mining sector right now for the fundamental. Now, by the way, guys, I am too, right? I have a 5 to 10 year position in the mining sector. That's the fundamental. But if you are trading right now and you are trading and you're looking at the fundamental reports and then you're getting into the markets and then the very next day or a week later, you're freaking out about the price action, you have got this completely all wrong. If you're looking at the fundamentals, you buy and you hold for a few years, right? Because that's a fundamental reason why you're getting into the markets. Just because something fundamentally is good right now doesn't mean tomorrow it's going to go up. See, what a lot of traders do is they get this so wrong. Let's actually do this here. Right? There is a fundamental analysis and there is technical analysis. Okay? What a lot of people do is they use a fundamental analysis, which is an investing approach. And over here, you have a trading approach, short-term, in, out, using TA, so on and so forth. What they do is they use a fundamental analysis. They get in, and then literally 1 week later, they're getting out. They're like, oh, I thought this was a good company. I thought this was going to go up, blah, blah, blah. What you don't realize is the big picture takes time. So, just to put in there, if you are a fundamental trader, don't be getting so... If you're fundamentally bullish like I am long-term, on the mining sector, then yeah, I am too, right? Yeah, let's go, right? Donkey Kong here's coming, but he's taking a bit of, he's asleep right now. Just give him a bit of time. He's coming, right? Now, but looking at the mining sector, right? On a short-term TA, short-term technical analysis, all right, guys? So that's exactly what I'm looking at here right now. But don't be going around looking at fundamental reports and then 1 week later when the market's not moving in the direction of the fundamental report that you're freaking out, right? You got this completely wrong. If you want to do some short-term stuff, then focus on the charts. I believe you should focus on the charts anyway, even looking at the good old fundamental analysis. Now, looking at the good old technical analysis and what's going on here, I repeat myself, guys. Long term, I think the mining sector has got some incredible moves coming in it. I really do see that with just what's happening with the dollar and the New World Order and the bullshit that's happening around the world and inflation. Mining sector is going to do really well this decade. This decade, right, guys? It's like the way that I view my positions in gold and silver and the mining sector, guess what? I view my positions in these sectors, I view it as buying a house. But personally, I would rather put money in the mining sector and gold and silver than actually put it in a house. Especially right now. Now, some people are like, oh, John, you're nuts. You don't know what you're talking about. That's just my preference, okay? You don't have to agree. If you like the housing market and not gold and silver, and actually, you probably like gold and silver in the mining sector because you're watching this video right now, right? But the thing is that if you like to do, you know, the real estate stuff and so on and so forth, then cool. I think there's opportunities in there, right? But I think if I'm looking at the next 10 years, where's the best growth going to be? It's not going to be the real estate. Real estate's already, if you're looking at positioning right now, and then say, if you had to put a position on, would it be buy a house right now and see it potentially make 50% return, 50% growth over the next 9 years? Or would you rather put it in the mining sector? Me, Mining sector is gonna like 500 times the growth than what property market is going to do. That's how confident I am in seeing the massive inflation and the cycles and the pushing and the moving happening with the gold and silver stocks. Right now, let's have a look at this here. On a technical level basis, let's go back to good old TA stuff here, okay? Look at this here. On the mining... Some people are like, John, what the hell are you on today? I'm very, very happy. I'm actually in 4 positions right now. All of them are really successful. I can't actually make a loss on these anymore because I've actually moved my stop above break even. So I'm actually doing really well. I've come off a few really nice trades at the start of the week, as you guys know, looking at the energy sector and so on and so forth. So, man, it's been an incredible start to the year. Anyway, got to calm down, right? Because if I let my ego get involved, guess what's going to happen? I'm going to go place a position. I'm going to triple my risk, and then I'm going to get a smack in the face, right? So I keep my ego out of the markets. I like to do a bit of an ego dance on YouTube, but when I'm actually trading, I'm like, hey, calm down, soldier, calm down. Otherwise, Donkey Kong will come to town and give you a bit of kick up the ass, aka the market. If you guys have been trading for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So, looking at the mining sector, look what's happening right now. I'm zooming back out to the big picture, okay? If you are looking at the market if you look at the market now for just 1 month and you're seeing this here, that's okay, but the best bit, look at this here. If I squeeze my charts up like this, I now can see what's going on. Now, for your eye, all I'm trying to look for is I'm trying to look at these highs. I'm trying to look at these lows. This bit here, right? So when I squeeze my charts up, and that's the reason why, guys, I use black bars. I like to use black bars on my charts because I'm not looking for red and green. I don't care about red and green. I'm looking at flow. The market is always a storyteller. Okay, but I'm looking at flow, you know, and so what I'm trying to read is what is happening right now. What is the story right now and what's happening here, okay? And so what I'm reading right now is like a bear flag, if you're going to call it a bear flag formation, but it's looking very, very weak. And this is where the title of the video, if I do title it something like that, danger, mining stock pullback coming, or something like that. Mining stock breaks support, or no, something that's going to grab your attention. By the way, thank you for clicking on the video. So we look at this here, right? We have we had a strong move down. Look at this sideways movement. That is not good, guys. That is not bullish. Oh, actually, the market can do whatever it wants, right? Don't we know that? But the thing is, traders, if we start to break below this level of support here, this where it is right now, we're getting almost breaking below there, and we've got a bit of a gap today. I'll talk about that gap in just a minute, but we're getting a bit of a gap today, right? So if we start to break below, say if we get down to 28, guys, there's nothing down here, right? That's that support level. Look, there's nothing down here. Then maybe the next support level is down here at say 22. So over 28 to 22, we have what is that? Let's actually look at this here. We could have a 30% dumpy on the mining sector. So this short-term TA, guys, if you're a fundamental trader and you're bullish the markets, hold on to your pants because there might be a nugget that's about to appear. Right? Because hey, don't shoot the messenger, right? Again, I must repeat myself for the 1,000th time. I think long term, over the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to see one of the most incredible moves out of the mining sector. Commodities, gold, silver, you name it, right? Bam, bam, bam. But short-term TA, I cannot ignore the short-term TA looking at these markets. And this right here, my friend, is setting up for something, for a big move. If we do start to break below this support level here, and let's actually draw a trend line. Oh, I've already got it drawn in, haven't I? There you go. It's on like Donkey Kong. All right, we do have actually a bit of a support line down here, don't we? Oh, look at that. Look at that. You can't make that up. That's almost at 22 anyway. So we've actually got this big channel going through here. So in the support level. So if we do start to run, we do have a bit of a, we do have the channel, right? That's in place right now. But then we also have what? We also have major support levels going on through there as well too, right? That's that major support level. So traders, it's not looking too good. Let's go have a look at the GDX and the GDXJ, and the GDXJ is doing the exact same thing. Look at this here. Traders, this is setting up for a move, right? Because this is what the market does. When the market goes sideways like this, like look at this back here. Went sideways for a while and then we had a big move. Whenever we go sideways for a while, we're likely to make a big move. Now, we don't know exactly where the move's going to be, but if the trend is your friend until the end, we are making a high and a lower high, so we could be getting ready for a dumpy, right? In the mining sector, and it could be down through there. Where is that next major support level? Yeah, you just probably, we may even see. That's that next major support level down there. Wow. We've got that support level there. It's probably going to flush down. So yeah, so we could see again, a 30% move in the gold mining stocks. How's the silver mining stocks looking? Oh, look at this here, guys, right? Look at this here. Remember, the trend is your friend until the end, right, guys? Look what's happening here with the mining sector. It's in danger territory right now, guys. It's danger territory. Because look at this here, right? We have high. Look at this here. Look at that low there. There's a saying in the markets when it comes to momentum. If the market runs up and retraces 50%, this is the 50% Fibonacci level. That says 50 here, by the way, guys. Just bear with me here, okay? My mouse is not moving on me, right? If it does that and then continues up, that's called strong momentum in that direction. Make sense? It's good. That's how you read momentum, right? Now, if the market did this, where the market ran up like that and then it broke down almost there, like there's really no strong momentum. With me so far? If it retraces less than 50% and then continues, it's likely to continue. Same for the downside. What do we have here? On the downside, we have a low, and then we rally up. If it's 50% or less, and then we break back down, that's where we go. But this is what the very first thing I'm noticing here is this. Look at this here. From a Fibonacci point of view, look at that. Look at that. It came up to 50% of that, and that's how I draw it, right? Actually, if I just draw it from there, it was dead on 50%. Straight down, 50% retracement, and now we're rolling over big time, and we're about to break this significant, and we're at this significant support level. Significant, where that's major support level. So if we break this level here, traders, we could be getting ready for a bit of a dumpy. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to share with you what I'm seeing. So there is major support level down there at 0. There's good support at 0. Right? And then let's look at the SILJ. Same sort of thing, guys, right? Significant support level. We do have a bit of a trend line going down through here, but I'll leave that there because it may come up and use that as resistance later on. But we can see the support level breaking there. We do have on the SILJ. Wow, look at that. Breakdown, lower high. We're going, look at this here, guys. All sideways. See all this sideways range? When the market goes sideways like that, that means we're about to make a big move. And because the trend has been down, sideways, down, right? And because the trend has been down, look at this here, sideways, big move. When the market goes sideways, it made what? It made a big move. And so sideways, big move. So when the market goes sideways like this, especially when we've had a very strong leg before it, and now we're going sideways, we're probably likely to start to see some downward pressure on the mining sector. So don't shoot the messenger, traders. Don't shoot the messenger. If you do need, so if you would like to get weekly help and so on and so forth, weekly insights, over 20 hours worth of education, and also maybe some monthly coaching sessions, that I'm giving away a free trial to my complete program. Use that link in the description or go to johnsfreegift.com, and I will see you real soon. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.